Hi friends, today's topic is the birth of Earth. Everybody is looking for answers about how our planet came to be. From the heart of stars that exploded to where life begins, this is the story of how our Earth, a beautiful blue marble, was born. A very long time ago, about 4.5 billion years ago, a big cloud of gas and dust started to move in a circle. Slowly, everything in this cloud came together because of a force called gravity. This made a very hot ball of fire, our Earth. As the Earth became cooler, its outer part became hard, just like a shell. Volcanoes threw out hot rocks and fire, big oceans were formed, and a special mix of things started to appear, which would one day make life possible. Can you imagine the first rain falling on the dry land, or the first sign of life deep inside the oceans? It was a time when everything was changing all the time. Rocks from space called asteroids fell on Earth and brought important things with them. At the same time, the sun, which was very young then, gave Earth lots of energy. From all this chaos, a new world was being made, a world full of possibilities. And just like that, everything was ready for the biggest story ever, the story of life. Our Earth, formed by cosmic forces, emerged from the chaos, a beacon of life in the vastness of space. Witness the final moments of Earth's formation, a dramatic and awe-inspiring event that set the stage for everything to come. Our planet, glowing under the young sun, began its endless dance in the universe, a testament to the power and wonder of creation. Always be curious, and don't forget to look up at the stars, for Earth's journey through the universe has just begun, promising endless wonders and mysteries to uncover. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos.